Hi, everybody. This is Invercio's review of the top 5 stories of last week. Starting off with number 1, FedEx's dramatic drop of 20% of share prices. This has surpassed the 1987 tumble that was 16.4%, commonly referred to as the Black Monday. The company is blaming the current state of the US economy, where other analysts are pointing to company-specific issues. In fact, JP Morgan analysts said it could have been far worse if not for the company surcharge prices due to the cost of oil. Moving on to our second story, top banks are pulling from Chinese metal financing. At least 3 Chinese metal trading companies have had their credit lines frozen or reduced by lenders. Lenders have pulled back due to a liquidity crisis. It is not clear whether the bank's pullback from the Chinese metal market will be temporary. It is important to mention that China is responsible for half of the world's copper. Moving on to our third story, Ray Dalio, the American billionaire investor, predicts that if the Fed continues on raising interest rate, it could have a significant negative impact on the current stock market in the United States, citing that if the trend continues and that the Fed moves the interest rate by 1% up, we could see easily a downgrade of 20% negative impact on all stocks. Moving on to our fourth story concerning Canadian EV battery industry. In an article published by Clean Energy Canada, states that with continued subsidies and help from the provincial and federal government, the Canadian EV battery industry could become a $48 billion per year industry, supplying up to 250,000 jobs. Without the federal and provincial support, these numbers are dramatically downgraded from 250,000 jobs to 60,000 jobs, and the annual revenue from $48 to $12 billion annual revenue. And for our final story, we're going all the way to Taiwan, where there's the celebration of the Mid-Autumn Festival. And as a special treat, where the Taiwan Veterans Home enlisted the help of a lingerie-clad stripper to celebrate the Chinese New Year's. The stripper spent 15 minutes dancing for the retired Army personnel who are at the facility, dealing with dementia and other disabilities. In its apologies, the home says that the stripper became overzealous and just wanted the vets to feel her enthusiasm and energy. That is the top 5 news of the previous week to help you potentially brighten your day and inspire your trading. So go out there and smash it.